Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency and welcome to 118 Talford Street. This fully renovated cottage is super cute. I can't wait to show you through. Let's go. It puts a smile on my face when a well thought out plan is executed. And that's exactly what's happened here. We've got 3 bedrooms upstairs. The main has an ensuite, and then there's this wonderful open plan space that connects extremely well to this outdoor deck that's got a servery through the kitchen window. Downstairs shows you the extent of the renovation with these brand new steel posts. But what I love about it is the added bonus. We've got a 3rd bathroom and it's a real activity cave down here with an additional laundry tub complementing the main laundry upstairs. How about this home? It is an incredible opportunity and a brilliant way to start 2025. If our team can help you own this home, give us a call. We would love to help you out.